let's talk about how important it is to have protections on a motorcycle, because this is what Andy is doing now. Right, Andy, you are chief operator now with these crash bars coming from your homeland, Germany.
From Germany.
But made in Czech Republic, by the way.
So it's the best combination.
Yes. So we have a few different brands, but this is SW-Motech. And which bike it is now?
It's a BMW F900XR. So
Yes, exactly.
in this case, the red one.
Yeah. So
I'm preparing the crash bars.
and all this exactly, and all this situation with crash bars is that two things, you know. For example, this is the one of the example here. Again, very important to have it on bike, and I think if you ever have a chance to rent a bike, always ask to have a bike with the crash bars, because it will save you so much money. Okay, what we have here, it's a combination of this. You see, this was before we put this. It also happens, but this is so important to have it on the bikes. You can have, you see there's a couple of bikes without it. And these bikes, they have it. And eventually we would like to have it for all bikes if possible, because it saves time, it saves money, and it saves also money for you. There is a lot of drops on the bikes. People, you know, your experience, what's the most common damage on the motorcycle?
The left side of the motorcycle, because they dropped the bike.
Yeah.
Crash bars is not only good for us to avoid damages on our nice bikes, it's also very good for our customers to avoid bigger costs if it happens, because it can happen.
Yeah. And it happens quite often, right?
Yeah, it's okay. It is what it is. So,
yeah.
And happens,
Yeah.
sure.
So we have,
but don't be afraid, because we handle it really respectful. So, because for everybody it can happen to drop the bike, especially here in Gran Canaria, because the streets are steep, it's very curvy, very twisty, so it can happen.
Yeah, exactly. So eventually the goal here, you can see the shop, it's to have all bikes with, we call this, defensas in Spanish, or crash bars, which covers the engine part on the side. Hello. And then there is this handguards, which some bikes we have it, like let's see this one. We have it, this is the Australian brand from, Barkbusters Australians. Very good. We can fit it on some bikes. For example, this one is brand new, doesn't have anything. And some bikes, we have only this little thing which should help something. And some bikes we have also the original, which are coming from as extra from factory. And also we have another brand called Hepco Becker, also German. Very good quality, and it helps a lot. Okay, so my point to all this is that it's a lot of cost for the company to put on bikes, but I think it's really a key feature to have it. And in future, our goal is to have on all bikes, because it will save so much stress, and also it could save a lot of money on in general. Because, for example, we have here. If you don't have this, this is from today. This is actually from today. And if you don't have these, you see little marks. This bike was dropped on the side, and then a few marks here. This we can paint. It's fine. But here, this plastic would be 300 euros. Engine cover would be 300 euros. This, you see, there's little. It's always going to be here, little damage, but nothing really major, So this is actually Outback Motortek, amazing company from. They produce it in Hungary, but it's Canadian, so it's a mix of both worlds. And then what we have more here, yeah. Outback Motortek, it's amazing for the adventure bikes, very strong, and that's what we need. Okay, guys. So just a little vlog from our shop. Hopefully we can do more stuff like this. Hopefully we can really hit on YouTube and show you a little bit of behind the scenes here in Canary Ride. Okay, ciao.